Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And today we're going to be taking a look at Home Depot for a specific reason, guys. So we want to turn you guys on to a really good deal. I think, in my opinion, it's a really great deal. So I want to share it with you guys today. So it's going to be a little bit different than our normal savings video. This is definitely a savings, but it's really on one product. So to get into the backstory of it, I had happened to see a ad or something for a Milwaukee tire inflator. So it got me thinking that, I need a compact tire inflator to carry with me when I, being mobile, especially getting into, we're going to be getting into TPM sensors and replacing those. So I needed something in order to be more efficient at inflating tires. So we happen to look at tire inflators at Home Depot, and we're going to take a look right here. Before I get into all of this other stuff, let's just go right to it. Super excited, guys. So you guys watching my channel may or may not know I'm a big Milwaukee fan. A lot of my tools you see on my channel are Milwaukee. I do own some Ryobi cordless tools, but for the most part, it's pretty much all Milwaukee. Not saying that I don't go outside of Milwaukee, but once you start with one brand and you have the chargers and stuff, sometimes it doesn't make sense to go to another brand. However, let's just get right to it, guys. So super excited. So I found this from Rigid. This 18-volt cordless portable inflator kit with a 2.amp-hour battery and charger on sale, guys, for $89. Original price was $139, so you're saving a total of $50. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I thought it was a really great deal. I received it in the mail and absolutely love it. So far, so good. I like the way it operates, how compact it is, and we'll go over this right now. We haven't used it yet, but I was so impressed with it that I actually went and bought another one, and I plan on keeping one in each vehicle. So again, guys, it's a special buy on sale right now for $89. Original price is $139. You're saving $50. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So here's the tool. Really nice, compact, the battery and the charger. I haven't owned any Rigid tools. I have heard some really good stuff about them. So let's go ahead and go through this. So it comes with a 2.amp-hour battery and a charger. And here we go. So it's got a quick connect air chuck. It's got an onboard hose wrap. It's a 20-inch hose. It's hybrid compatibility. It's got a hex grip, manual inflation override, 2-inch rotating digital gauge, and an auto shut off, and it's capable of 150 psi. And this is what I like. It's capable of 150 psi, and it includes a 12-volt vehicle cord and nozzle accessory. So the price point really sold me on this. Other than the price point, some of the other things that really sold me on this was the ability to use a battery, to use a rechargeable battery to stick in there and get it running, or for whatever reason, an emergency situation, let's say you only have the one battery, and that goes dead, or something happens to it, you always have a backup with this 12-volt vehicle cord and nozzle accessory. So that's pretty cool. That was another selling factor for me. You can always buy more batteries, but that was definitely a selling point for me, was it includes a vehicle cord, just in case your battery, your external battery dies. I like that it has a manual override. And I just like the compactness of it, as well as you could set it on the ground and leave it, or you can hold it in your hand and just pull the trigger. I really like that. Here's a couple more looks at it. I really like the dial. I don't know why. I really like that dial that it has on there. And after getting it in the mail and checking it out, I really enjoy the dial. The dial allows you to set it really allows you to set the PSI that you want. So that was pretty cool. That was my big selling points on that. So here's the product details. I'm not going to go over all this, but if you guys want to pause the video, take a screenshot, you guys could check it out. So there you guys have it. It's a really good deal. Like I said, I haven't used it yet, but it's such a good deal. I want to let you guys get on. I want to let you guys know so you guys can get on it if you guys want. Limit 5 per order. It's a special buy, like I said. So comparing this to some of the competitors, let's say Milwaukee wise, I think this was the competitor because this is the M18 lithium-ion cordless electric portable inflator. This one goes up to 150 psi. Whoops. And I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible. So I believe this one went up to 150 psi. Where is it here? And then I think the cheaper version of the Milwaukee one, which is this one here, this one only went up to 120 psi. So this is not a bad deal either. This M12 12-volt Milwaukee cordless electric portable inflator tool, but it's the tool only. It comes with all these other little attachments. That's on sale right now for $89, and it was $119. Not a bad deal there. And another good deal is this one here from Ryobi. It's the 1+ 18-volt cordless high-pressure inflator kit with a 2 amp-hour battery and a charger. This one's probably a better deal than the Rigid because this one comes in on sale for $69.97. Original price is $80.07. So the Ryobi is probably actually a better price point. Let's see if we could see how much PSI it's putting out. Oh, inflates up to 160 PSI. So wow, that's very impressive. So that puts out up to more PSI than the Rigid. So some really good deals here, guys, on some tire inflators. If you guys are in the market or interested, we chose the Rigid. I'm very happy with that. I see that the Ryobi is a little cheaper, but it still comes like a square, and I was looking to kind of avoid that. I really like the Rigid. The pack that Rigid is putting out with this one. So we went with this one to try it out. Plus, I don't have any Rigid products, so kind of interested to try it out. We have Ryobi. Ryobi's really good, even for the price point. It's on the cheaper side compared to its competitors, but don't let that fool you. Ryobi's really good. You guys obviously know I love my Milwaukee. DeWalt is right up there with Milwaukee, but you're going to pay a little bit more for those. So that's not a bad deal there. And then if you guys already have Ryobi chargers and batteries, you can get the inflator for $39.97. So definitely not a bad deal there, guys. And like I said, we have Ryobi. We probably could have went this route, but the batteries and the charger I have is they're really old, and I don't want to rely on those old batteries and chargers. And again, they've went through a lot. So anyway, enough of that. So there you have it, guys. Some good deals on some tire inflators if you guys are in the market or interested in picking up some tire inflators. Right now, Home Depot is having a really good deal. I thought I'd let you guys in on it. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you guys already have any of these tools, these tire inflators. What do you guys think? How do you guys like them? How have they held up for you? What do you guys prefer? And if you guys don't, but you guys end up picking one up because of this video, make sure to go down there, leave it in the comment section, and hit that like button, guys. So anyway, guys, there you have it. As always, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.